Welcome back to Shift Focus. Last week it was Break Ke Baad for the Blind Date Cinema pick. So Kali and Shruti made a trip back this week and it seems like these two are having themselves a good long conversation. About what? Let's find out.
I am here again at Blind Date at Escape and I have someone beautiful to interview today. Let me see who is there with me right now. Miss Shruti, where are you from and where do you work?
Well, I work in a place called NDTV Hindu.
NDTV Hindu. So would you say that your colleagues at NDTV Hindu would come here and watch a blind date movie? Would you say they'd be interested?
Of course, they'd be interested and they would come, only if we call them.
Okay, so in that case, what do you think, which kind of a movie would someone like Santosh like?
Well, Santosh does the Metro Plus show. It's more Chennai-centric, so I guess he'll watch something like Chennai 28.
Okay, what kind of a movie would Niru want to watch?
Niru is a complete foodie. No wonder she does Feeding Frenzy. She's a complete foodie. Maybe she'll come here only for the interval to get some popcorn and Pepsi, not for the movie.
Okay, and then what kind of a movie do you think would our news anchor Evelyn want to watch?
Evelyn is this happy person who does You Special and maybe she'll watch something fun like Dil Chahta Hai.
Okay, and finally, what do you think, which kind of movie would Pratibha want to watch?
Pratibha is a complete music freak. She does top tunes and maybe she'll watch something like a musical or something to do with dance.
Okay, and then who else is there in NDTV Hindu? Let me think.
Hold on. Now I've been answering all his questions. Let's ask him something. So I think we're leaving out someone, Kali. What about our features head, Anuradha Anand? What do you think she'd like to watch?
Okay, Anuradha Anand, I know for sure that she does Big Pick and she's a huge movie fan. But then I'm not going to say anything because it's still on the record.
However hard I tried to convince Kali that personality traits after all do determine movie choices, he just didn't buy it. So to prove that I was right, I went ahead and asked those who came for the blind date at Escape who their favorite personality was, and if given a chance, which movie would they take them to?
Probably I'll go with Sachin to Lagan and see, because Lagan is all about cricket. So I'll probably take him to Lagan.
Just as I thought I was successful in proving my point, Kali brushed the concept off again. So I thought, who better to ask than director Venkat Prabhu? Before he could escape into the cinema hall, we caught up with him and questioned him on the same.
Abdul Kalam. Chennai 28. Because it's my first film. So probably I'd want to be with him and watch the film. He always talks about dreams. So he's like my favorite personality, celebrity personality.
After all the trouble I took, Kali seemed convinced. And we walked into the hall to see which movie was the pick of the day. But before that, we had a little ritual we needed to complete. We entertained the audience and quizzed them on the blind date and the movie that was to play. Many knew the answer, but only the lucky ones took home the gift hampers. A few hours later, the movie came to an end and the evening went by just fine. But there was still one job undone. So the blind date is done and we had an awesome time as always, but there's one person we missed out, so I'm going to ask Kali about it. So Kali, what kind of movie do you think Dipti would like to go watch?
Dipti, who?
The one who does Shift Focus?
Oh, the glam girl who goes to every pastry party, that one?
Yeah, absolutely, that one.
Okay, I don't know, why don't we just ask her?
Glam girl, huh? Well, to answer your question though, I know for sure that I'd stay away from girly flicks. I love action and everything that's entertaining. Moving on, the Navy Queen contest is back this year and Express Avenue Mall was abuzz with these budding models as they walked the walk and talked the talk in the preliminary selection for the finals. Here's more from the center stage.
I am here at Express Avenue and guess what I'm trying to do here? I have come here to judge a beauty pageant. They told me I look good and everything, so they called me to judge the beauty pageant here.
Kali, get on with it.
Okay, fine. I haven't come here to judge the beauty pageant, but I know what I'm going to do here. When Aishwarya Rai won the Miss World, she was asked a question. Which body organ do you want to donate to this world after you die? She said her eyes. Now that is a very, difficult question, age-old question. Which came first, a chicken or an egg? I want to find out the right answer to it. So I'm going to go watch the show, which is going to start in like 10 minutes. After that, I'm going to ask each contestant what is the right answer. The Akshaya Home Navy Queen contest, conceptualized to celebrate the Navy Week starting this December, celebrated its second edition in Chennai. This edition had attracted contestants all the way from Bangalore and also the attention of crowd in good measure. The girls, hailing from various fields and mostly students, strutted their stuff on the ramp. There were those who looked dazzling in their cowgirl leather boots and long flowing hair. And then there were some who looked a perfect mismatch of colors. Eminent personalities like designer Sydney Sladen and actress Uma Riaz graced the judges' panel. While the participants on stage were trying to dodge the judges' questions, I decided to catch up with some in the backstage and get an answer for the question that was hovering in my mind. I was in for a surprise.
I would donate my eyes.
I would like to donate my eyes to the people.
My eyes. I would definitely donate my eyes.
So that's how I found my answer to the question that day. I hope you found yours.
Okay, so there you have it. The next Navy Queen is in the making, and we'll bring you more on that as the finals draw near. And with that, we've come to the end, so make sure you tune in next week. Now, do share your thoughts and opinions of this week's show. Send it in to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com. Until we meet again, goodbye and take care.